In this video, we're going to show you how to install the driver's side rear sway bar Endlink on your Nissan Rogue, located right here in your back suspension. Using an 18mm socket and an 18mm wrench, let's go ahead and loosen this lower bolt. On the top, you're going to use an 18mm wrench, 18mm socket. Let's loosen and remove this. And go ahead and remove the link. Install the nut on the other side. Let's go ahead and torque these down to 81 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.